So I'm just going to show you how you can create a pattern for a cover for yourself and then put it as the front page of a notebook. So we'll grab a notebook. We're going to grab a blank notebook. We're just going to call it notebook 4 for now. And then we've got a blank page. I'm going to get rid of the menu and I'm going to show you how a very quick way of drawing a picture. All right, so let's draw a diamond. Do I like that diamond? Because I'm going to copy and paste this many times, all right? I'm going to colour it in, nice and dark. Just going to make it look sort of as nice as I can, but I still want it to look a little bit hand drawn. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Okay, now what we can do is we can select like that and it'll give us options. What do you want to do? I want to copy it. And then the way you paste is by tapping. So I'm going to tap and now I'm going to line it up. And the good thing is you only have to do it once because you can keep, now you can see my diamond isn't very, there's gaps in it. Anyway, let's not. I'm going to tap off and then I'm going to tap, I want it here. Now, if it was a better diamond, it would look better, but hey, it is what it is now. All right, so I'm going to tap off. I'm still in select mode. I'm going to select again and I'm going to copy it again. And I'm going to tap here to paste it. Okay, then I'm going to tap here to paste it again. Then I'm going to tap here. So you have to tap twice. You've got to tap to take it out of that mode so that you can paste it. Then tapping to paste. Then I'm going to tap one in there. Nice. Then I'm going to, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to get rid of this because why is that a bit down there? There we go. Is that a little, no, that's not anything. Right, so now we've got this. I'm going to copy it a few more times. Now I'm going to copy the big one. And it's asking me, what do you want to do with it? I want to, excuse me. I'm going to paste it there. I'm going to paste it here. And I'm going to paste it in here. Pull it right down to there. And you know what? It's a little bit offside. If I moved that, actually that's okay. Do I want to leave it like that? Yeah, I'm just going to leave it like that. So I'm actually going to move it. I'm already on select. So I'm going to close that. I'm going to, let's see how well it lets us grab all of that. Yes, no, yes, no. Nope. No, let's just undo that. You just got to work with whatever it gives you. Okay, that's pretty cool. I think what I'll do is I'm going to leave it. I'm just going to leave it at that. I can't seem to bring the bits that are down the bottom. I'm going to clear the clipboard. And even though I would like it more centered, if I bring it up, it's going to break the pattern down the bottom here. So I'm not going to do that, just for the sake of explaining and showing to you. Now, if we come in here and we have a look at the big picture, you'll see that that's what my view looks like, which is great. I'm going to hop out of that and you will see that. Now, if I want to use that as the cover, I can do so so let's see if what we do in here is, I really need a 4-page document, which I don't have. So let's just duplicate it, and that's good. Then I'm going to cancel back, in this document, I'm just going to go to the second page. I'm going to delete all of that. It's thinking, hello, yep, there we go, it did it. What's even easier, let me just go here. I'm going to add a new page. You can do this so many different ways. And I'm just gonna go back to pen. Just gonna pretend there's writing on that page. Can you see that? It's still thinking, it's just updating. Okay, well, look, I'll finish it here, but once you have a picture, all you have to do is grab it, press and hold, move it, select that page and say you want to place before. And the thing is, I was trying to get it different quickly for you so that you could see. All right, they're the lines that I drew. So just pretend that this was the second page. Just pretend there was many. Let's just duplicate that, duplicate, duplicate, press and hold that one, deselect that one, delete that one, and delete that one because that one, yeah, you've got to press and hold and delete it. So now you can see that you can create a picture and you can move it to the beginning of your notebook and it will be fabulous. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, when you go back out, because remember that your options down here for your notebook settings, I have it when you must, if you want to see the cover that you created, you must select first page so that when you hop out, you will see the cover that you created. So you can basically draw anything and then use that in your notebooks.